How to add emotes on Twitch. Hello and welcome to TechTube. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how we can add emotes on Twitch. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type twitch.tv, the official website of Twitch, and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you reach to this interface after logging into your account, here at the left you will find various channels. Go to any one of these channels by clicking on them. Once you reach their channel page, here at the right you will see the stream chat of that particular channel. Here at the bottom you will see emote option next to this diamond icon. Click on this emote and from here you can add any of the emote you want to use to this chat. When you scroll down below you will see the emotes that has been logged. You will need to add them to your emotes by subscribing them. When you click on one of them, it will ask you to subscribe for this. At the right side you will find the amount you need to pay to unlock these emotes on your Twitch. You will have to pay $1.49 to unlock these emotes. Once you pay for it, you will get 57 emotes and more subscriber benefits. Now click on this subscribe option and here you can choose the payment methods and pay for it. After that you will be able to use or add on your Twitch. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.